Hello my dear friends, I'm in Moscow today and today I'm visiting a replacement of IKEA which is called Swed House or Swed House. So Russians call it Swed House. So let's have a look if this replacement is worth. Let's go. So it's pretty much obvious even here, not inside the store, that the store is smaller, much smaller than the IKEA was. So okay, let's go. I hope this is the entrance because there they also have an entrance or exit. I don't know. Just let's have a look. So yeah. And the prices, like what do you call it, ценник, looks like IKEA's. Just look at it. Really? Oh my god, it's IKEA. So okay. By the way, I don't know the origins. Maybe it's the rest of what IKEA had here in Moscow. Maybe it's just bought from the same factory where IKEA has their production. I don't know. So here is some furniture. I think it's pretty much the same. Yeah, the store is much smaller. And by the way, this store is from Belarus. Look, the same tags. I think it's called tag, right? Tag, okay. So the same tags. This is for a chair, like a chair cushion or what it's called. Made in Russia. Look at this. Made in Russia for IKEA. Okay. So the prices. Okay. For example, this lamp, like standalone lamp, I don't know, like costs around $50. Around maybe 40, something like that. The table, I don't know if it's the table where you can do your homework or just do your work. The price is 15,000 rubles. It's about $200, maybe 190. So here we have something. It's a bed. The bed is 33,000 rubles, which is approximately $400, I think now. Okay. The store is really small. Oh, they have a shark. You know, when IKEA announced that it is leaving Russia, these sharks were sold on, like, you know, websites like eBay in Russia. It's called Avito. So these sharks were sold like for 100,000 rubles, which is 1,000 and like 400 or 500. So yeah, anybody who wants a shark can buy it. Oh, this is with the Swed House tag. The price, wow, the price is, I don't know if it's cheap or not. It's like 35 maybe dollars or something like that, or I don't know, maybe 13. You know, now the exchange rate is a little bit, you know, like jumping forth and back. And here is like bedding. Again, the design is like in IKEA. The tags are like in IKEA, but it's for Swed House. So they claim, this Swed House claims that they buy their stuff, their items from the same manufacturers where IKEA used to buy the items to sell. Okay. And I will not be surprised if even the names are the same. Wow. 5,800 rubles for a blanket? Okay. All right. This is like kind of, you know, expensive, but whatever. Some vases. I don't know if they had the same vases in IKEA, but maybe. Again, IKEA tag. So some stuff goes with IKEA tag. Some stuff goes with Swed House tag. So I don't know. Oh, tea candles. 500 rubles for 30 items. I can buy more and cheaper. Okay. But you know, this was with IKEA too. So when the same candles were sold by IKEA, when they were operating in Russia, it was the same with the price. So I could have these like tea candles, more items, and for less money. Just I bought it not in IKEA. So yeah. Okay. But you know, for people who loved IKEA very much, of course, I think they will be happy to have this as a replacement, like this Swed House. So maybe, I don't know, but of course the choice is not really great. So here we are with tапочки. I forgot tapочки in English. Okay. Oh, and here we are with the kitchen stuff. Okay. Again, Swed House tags. Okay, bowls. What's this? This is to make juice or what? English. Okay. Juice maker. Oh, they have Russian. Картофельный пресс. So it's potato press. Really? Really? Okay. You know, when I used to visit IKEA, I really have no idea what some items were meant for. Really. So here it is. So yeah. Okay, so workers are super sweet. They don't yell at me for filming They just, oh, can I just slip behind you? Okay. Oh, this is to make ice in your fridge. And what's the price? The price is 390 rubles. Pretty okay. Pretty nice. Like maybe $4 or $5. So some forks, spoons, garlic press. Oh, maybe I need this. I don't know if they have this in St. Petersburg, but my garlic press is, you know, like rotten already, like when the metal goes bad. Do you call it rotten or what? Ржавчиной покрылся. I don't know what's English for this. Oh, this is for meat, I suppose. Okay. Some trays here too. Oh, I would like to have this tray. Such tray. Okay, but not in my small apartment. Plates. Yes, it's pretty good replacement for people who really loved IKEA. So everything comes with Swed House tags here in this section. Okay. Oh, this is the milk shaker. Okay. But you know, I know where to buy this stuff cheaper. Здравствуйте. Oh, this plate is very nice. Wow, look at this. Plate and the cup. Wow, this is very nice. I like this style. Wow. Not very expensive, by the way. It's less than $8, I think. Wow. Some toys here. Glasses for champagne or wine. This is for champagne, okay. And my dear friends, this is pretty much it. So this is the exit, and they have also a table here for $38,700. Oh my god. Huh. This is expensive, but maybe it's a good quality, but I don't know. So, my dear friends, here is the replacement. So the thing that I liked most is this cup and the plate. Really nice. So here we are. That's it. So, is it a good replacement? What do you think? So yeah. You know, I traveled here for about 40 minutes on metro to film this small store. The store is really small, but again, for people who like IKEA, the place is really a replacement, so they can get some stuff, some kitchen stuff, totally like IKEA's. And of course, I think such people will like this. So this video is not very long, you know, and I'm super sleepy today because I traveled from St. Petersburg by overnight train. Not sleeping, of course, because too much noise. Then I went to office and spent all working day there, and now I'm here, so I need to get some rest. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for all your comments, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Bye.